What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Don Fron here. No doubt you were probably up on the day, having a good day. I'm going to break down just the three markets, kind of just get my overall thought process as we kind of get through the week, kind of like these trading day recaps, I guess. I'm not sure what to call these. But if you did watch, if you are subscribed, if you're not, you should hit that subscribe button. But if you did happen to see it, you watched me draw these lines out on Saturday. Before any of these candles were here, again, they're not support resistance levels, but they are an area where market makers need to do their job. So there's trades to be made. It's more of a heads up for volatility if you want to use it really more correctly. But where the trade is at is the likelihood of we don't go crazy and kind of just rein things back in. Like I said, trades been made. Just manage your risk. Ultimately, you guys are the ones clicking the buy button. No one else. No one to blame but you. So again, no need to get crazy with it. IWM was crazy though. So I even broke this down. Sorry, there was during the chat. I don't share screenshots very often. Again, as far as my mentorship, it's not a call out service. But I want to say it was this one. There was 2 wicks. No, right here. So right inside here. So there was some choppiness right here. Bought it, tagged out, bought it, tagged out, but bought the dip. I moved my stop up to these wicks right here. This wick, my stop was actually 10 cents, 1 tick away from getting tagged. Ultimately stayed flat, and I'm kind of thinking like, hey, if we pull back here, still a good day. We're rocking and rolling. I mean, I'm on the 5-minute time frame because I'm in the futures markets. This one, anytime I'm in futures, it is a smaller time frame just for day trading. They're never really home run plays. Anyway, just never tagged. It did pop up. Ultimately, I moved it up here to this green wick, to which this little candle, it got me. Now, that being said, it's something I have to go over. More of a mindset. All I did was trail it up. And briefly, real quick, going to SPY. I actually went short right here. Caught that knife. Now, I call it a knife catch because it's just more green than red. But we know Biden's talking. And the lesson I'm going over tonight with my mentorship is actually shorted it. Nailed it, right? So it was either this red candle or this one. This one right here. Because I ended up nailing the top, right? So it sells off. Now, because I'm catching that knife, stops go in the green fast. That's what the lesson is. I'm not, it's trending up, but here I am going short. That is a roulette trade. As in, you walked up to the roulette wheel, you saw, it landed on black the last 6 times, so I'll put all my money on red. Like, nothing changes the fact that the last 6 were black, and that's not how it works. So you gotta be careful taking those trades. But if you understand your risk and you want to go ahead and throw it out there, do what you want. But anyway, that's what I did. And, fighting that trend, it sold off. I actually put my stop in the green pretty quickly. And this green candle tagged me out. But I was catching a knife. Now, futures are still leveraged, so that was still, literally a few bucks. But what I want to say most people would end up doing... No, maybe it was this... Give me 1 second. Because on my charts, a green candle, I've had a feeling it would probably mess people up. 46.37. We got the big dip down. These numbers are off. It's this right before this peak. Okay. So, no, I was right. I grabbed the doji candle, stopped out. 1, 2, 3 candles over. Yeah, right here. So, the lesson to go through is you stopped out. I see a lot of people do this. So they get in, boom, they nailed it. Boom, stop in the green. They're thinking, I nailed this one, I got this trade, it's mine. Tags out for pennies. Okay, and then they see that red candle after it. And then the FOMO kicks in. And what they end up doing is they go short again somewhere right here at the bottom. And then it turns around and you get this candle just ripping up. And was that candle really a surprise to anybody? Look at the day. It's been ripping up all day. Today was just a giant check mark, little morning pullback, and then boom, up. When I did that and watched that, the only thing I thought was, I bet so many people do that exact same thing, jump back in, chasing it. Like, if you're going to play that game, that gambling game, once you tag out, in my experience, leave it alone. Like, you just tagged out, wait for the right time. Going down here, you're chasing, and that's why I didn't, because of that. Didn't want to buy the dip because I thought maybe we could just rip this thing down, and we'll buy the dip at the bell, but that shot up, so I didn't. Anyway, hope that makes sense to some people. If that resonated with you, let me know down below. How many times have you tagged out, got back in at the new peak, and almost instantly red? As far as the S&P goes, again, drew these lines on Saturday before any of these little candles showed up. We dropped down. We tested that area. Again, market makers, they had to decide right then and there, am I going to do my job today or not? Anyway, they decided not to. Rein it back in, pump this thing up. We have tomorrow and Thursday, which I am thinking probably green, pullback Thursday. Kind of just typical market behavior. If there's anything that's going to happen, we might just surprise to the upside. Might be that Santa Claus rally after all. Buyers get that confidence, and we do see it up here. So anyway, that's the volatility zone getting above that level. That being said, I need that to happen because I sold the SPY 458 puts. I'm not going to lie, I was a little nervous when we were, down here. So I'm glad we saw that rally. I'll probably end up managing that play tomorrow. I collected some premium. Probably going to manage that before I just get smoked on that one. As far as tech goes, kind of the same story. That quick check in the morning, push up the rest of the day. SPY and the S&P, sorry, the NASDAQ and the S&P kind of look like this. That morning sell-off, turn around, ramped. Amazon does this move quite a bit. So still plenty of room to go for that. We continue that move up. We either pull back tomorrow, we're green Thursday, or we're green tomorrow, pull back Thursday. Like, we do that tomorrow, we're probably going to be in the overbought territory to rein it back in. And then again, as far as IWM goes, that was just a smooth trade. Got some volatility, kind of just a, you guys do your thing, I'm just going to take the train north kind of play. Anyway, still plenty of room. Wanted to just kind of get that little rant lesson out there. Anyway, check these levels out. There's plenty of ways for you to get these levels. Let me know. Do you watch the expected move? How are you guys trading this? And let me know how you did today. I want to hear, what are these gains? There's no way you're not green today. Everything was up today, I think. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.